During his visit to KHOREZM region, President Shavkat Mirziyoyev reviewed the activities of textile enterprise Khiva Cluster Limited Liability Company. Here, the head of state inspected the production process and talked to the employees. More details in our next reports. In accordance with trend of transition to green technologies in economy, the enterprise focuses on energy efficiency. For example, in fall and winter period, the facilities are heated with hot water from the production process, which saves a lot of natural gas. In addition, solar panels with a total capacity of 60 kilowatts are installed on the roof of the buildings. All this contributes to the reduction of production costs. The company's quality control and vocational training center, waste recycling and secondary utilization have been established. Overall, from 2018 to 2023, the cluster has implemented projects worth over $105 million, creating export potential of $50 million per year. The cluster system employs more than 800 young people. Currently, about 20 products such as butter, soap, eggs, dairy products, and footwear are being produced jointly with other enterprises. The president got acquainted with the cluster's plans for the future. In particular, new projects envisage increasing the production of raw cotton and obtaining value-added products from it, and localization of light trucks. In the coming years, the cluster intends to switch to zero-waste production. The head of state reviewed the presentation of investment projects planned to be implemented in KHOREZM region. The presentation provided information about 18 projects worth more than $660 million. In general, a package of investment projects worth over $1.5 billion have been formed for the region. In particular, projects are being developed to produce electric trucks, nickel sulfate for batteries, architectural glass, glass containers, construction materials, paint products, and fabrics, which will significantly affect the economic and social development of the region and create thousands of jobs. The construction of hotels, hospitals, entertainment facilities and roads, development of ecotourism and fish farming will improve the welfare of the population. The head of state talked to the initiators of these projects, foreign investors and local entrepreneurs. The economic efficiency of the project was discussed, and instructions were given on how to accelerate them and create additional conditions for entrepreneurs. President Shavkat Mirziyoyev visited Istiklal MAHALLA in KHOREZM region of Khiva district and got acquainted with living conditions of the population. About 3,200 people live in a mahalla. There are 10 production enterprises and about 30 service outlets, as well as farms. Residents are mainly engaged in entrepreneurship and agriculture. Recently, the building of Mahalla Council was repaired and fully equipped. All conditions have been created in preschool educational organizations, schools, and medical facilities. Representatives of the Mahalla told to the president about the life of the people and the success of youth. Special attention was paid to the issue of employment. The system of individual approach to citizens on social register is working effectively. It was noticed that the practice of providing land for agriculture to unemployment is of great importance in conditions of KHOREZM. President Shavkat Mirziyoyev met with the General Director of Voltalia Company, Sebastian Clear, within the program of his visit to KHOREZM region. The meeting focused on prospects of expanding mutually beneficial partnership. The sides emphasized the consistent development of Uzbek-French multifaceted relations, which have acquired a comprehensive nature thanks to the regular meetings at the highest level. The President noted with particular pleasure the start of work within the framework of the project on construction of 100-megawatt photovoltaic power plant in Tuprak district jointly with Voltalia, with the possibility of further expanding opportunities through the introduction of agrovoltaic solutions. The head of state supported plans to expand cooperation projects with the company, including organization of battery production in KHOREZM region and construction of hybrid power plants in Bukhara region. During President Shavkat Mirziyoyev's visit to KHOREZM region, a ceremony was held to launch the construction of 100-megawatt photovoltaic power plant by Voltalia. Stability in energy sector, especially in the context of global integration, is a strategic goal of every state. Renewable energy sources are considered a key factor of modern development and diversification of economy, said Shavkat Mirziyoyev at the project launch ceremony. This will be the first large-scale project in KHOREZM. It will generate 254 million kilowatt-hours of green energy per year, which will cover 11% of annual electricity consumption in the region. It is planned to connect the plant to the grid by the end of the year. The implementation of the project will increase electricity generation in KHOREZM by 30% to 424 megawatts. In particular, it will fully satisfy the annual demand of 135 million kilowatt-hours of electricity in Tuprak district. In addition, it will make it possible to transfer 40% of excess energy to neighboring districts, ensuring stable power supply to 85,000 households. Most importantly, the plant will save 76 million cubic meters of natural gas and prevent emissions of 106,000 tons of harmful substances into the atmosphere.